Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Toyota RAV4. First, understand that lifting your RAV4 can significantly improve its off-road capability by increasing ground clearance. You'll primarily choose between strut spacers for a modest lift, typically 1 to 2 inches, or a complete suspension kit for more substantial gains, often 3 inches or more. Always factor in how larger tires might affect your vehicle's performance and ensure proper alignment after any modifications. When selecting a lift kit, you have a couple of main options. Strut spacers are a popular choice for a modest lift, typically 1 to 2 inches, and are more budget-friendly. For a more aggressive lift, often 3 inches or more, a full suspension kit replaces springs and shocks, offering enhanced performance. Always verify the kit's compatibility with your RAV4 model and trim level to ensure a perfect fit. Installing a lift kit requires careful attention to detail and specific tools. While some experienced dyers might tackle it, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure everything is correctly fitted and safe. After installation, a wheel alignment is absolutely essential to prevent premature tire wear and maintain proper handling. Be prepared for the process to take several hours, especially for a full suspension kit. After lifting your RAV4, you might need to make a few adjustments. If you've opted for significantly larger tires, some fender trimming or different wheel offsets might be necessary to prevent rubbing. Also, consider recalibrating your speedometer to ensure accurate readings. The benefits include improved off-road capability with better approach and departure angles, plus a more aggressive stance and enhanced visibility on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.